Hi, my name is Mark Treese and I'm the CEO here at TorchPrep. You know, a question we commonly get from schools is, can you help my teachers in their specific subject around the ACT? Well, the answer to that question is absolutely we can. TorchPrep offers a regional PD that's subject specific. So we have one for ACT English, reading, ACT Math, and ACT Science. If you like to see your teachers equipped for what we say not a PD, but a subject-specific PhD, this is a great opportunity. One of the outcomes you'll see in our regional PD is not that we're doing a curriculum overhaul, but rather, and I think this is really important, we're instilling or installing into the pre-existing curriculum an ACT lens. So if you'd like to see your district or your department taken to the next level, hit up the form below or sign up for one of our regional PDs.